Have you ever heard about green roofs? Well, here's your chance to know about it. This is what is called green roofs. Green roofs, also known as living roofs, are vegetated systems installed on rooftops that support plant growth and provide various environmental benefits. So what are the types of green roofs? First, one called extensive green roofs, lightweight systems with shallow soil, primarily featuring low-maintenance plants like sedums. They require minimal irrigation and maintenance. Second, one called intensive green roofs, heavier systems with deeper soil, supporting a wider variety of plants, including shrubs and small trees. They require more maintenance and irrigation. Some benefits of green roofs: environmental, improve air quality, reduce urban heat island effect, and enhance biodiversity. Stormwater management, absorb rainwater, reducing runoff and minimizing flooding. Energy efficiency, provide insulation, lowering heating and cooling costs. Aesthetic value, enhance the visual appeal of buildings and urban areas. Noise reduction, act as sound insulators. In conclusion, green roofs play a crucial role in promoting sustainability in urban environments, making cities greener and more livable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.